Hey there, it's Amelia, and today I'm going to show you how to create a doll box image of yourself, as well as other styles like an action figure using Chatgpt. Watch till the end of this video for a Chatgpt version comparison chart. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Here I am on Chatgpt. At the time of recording this video, version 5.0 was just released and they're constantly updating. Now I've started by asking ChatGPT some questions, and I let it know that I'd like to generate a doll box image of myself, and I wanted to clarify if I should add some photos before adding the prompt, etc. So basically, to create a boxed doll image of yourself, first you'll want to upload a few pictures of yourself that you like, which ChatGPT can use to create the doll image. The next step would be to enter a prompt, which I've prepared that I'll show you to explain what your final image should look like. The prompt should be detailed and include not only what your doll image should look like, but any accessories in the box and what the packaging should look like, including the colors, text, and style. And step 3 is to wait for ChatGPT to generate your final image. Let's get right to it. So here are some images of myself that I will upload. Now you don't necessarily have to have a lot of images, even 2 or 3, and I'll most probably just upload the first 3 images here. So to upload images, click the plus sign here and then select Upload from Computer. And next you'll want to navigate to the folder containing your images, select your images, click Open, and click here to submit the images to ChatGPT. Next, I've prepared my prompt and I'm going to paste it in. Sometimes it gives you little questions. And notice now it says, thanks for uploading the photos. Now, could you please provide a detailed description for the doll box image? So that will help ChatGPT to tailor the design to your preferences. I'm going to paste in my prompt and I'll read over and make sure that I don't want to make any changes before I submit it. I'm telling ChatGPT to create a hyper-realistic doll image. The doll has medium-length brown hair with caramel highlights, parted on one side with long layers and wispy bangs. She's dressed professionally in a long-sleeve blouse with a navy suit jacket, matching dress pants, and shoes with medium to low heels. She's accessorized with a book and pen in her hand to symbolize how she is an author. She's smiling and happy. The box is light pink and white. The box is styled like a modern Barbie box. The title is Amelia Griggs, author and content creator. The tagline is Create, Publish, Earn. Inside the box are many accessories: cell phone, computer, cooking utensils, dumbbells, and a money bag. Make the image appear as if it is a limited edition Barbie doll. Make the packaging look as realistic as possible. I'll click to submit it and we'll see what happens. While we're waiting, I just want to mention that I'll add the prompt in the description below this video. You can copy and paste it if you like. You'll need to edit the prompt and customize it for your own image. In the latest version of ChatGPT 5.0, you can edit an existing image, or if you wanted to start over, you can try a new prompt and try again. Okay, and it has completed the image. Next, I'm going to try a similar prompt, but this time I'm going to use the latest version. At the time of creating this video is ChatGPT 5. And as you can see, the legacy model 4.0 has now moved into that section. So for this, I started a new chat. I just clicked new chat, and I'm just going to go ahead and paste in the prompt that I have prepared. And I also need to upload a headshot. So I'll click the plus sign to add files and click add photos and files. So you want to navigate to the folder containing the headshot. And this time I'm just going to click on one headshot, click open. And now I'm just going to go ahead and submit that. And let's see what happens. So I do really like this version. I did tweak the prompt a bit just to clarify some things. So for example, I ask it to add a white blouse instead of blue, so having some color contrast, add a pink case border around the phone. Handbag, I had it changed to a light pink color. So overall, I like this. The only thing I would change is I would say like the sunburst here, I would just move it so it wouldn't cover up the text. Now what I'll do is show you some other variations and some changes that I ask for. I ask it, can you make one more change? The sunburst with the words limited edition is covering up part of my last name. Can you move that up and over to the right a little or make it smaller? Other than that, I ask it just for fun to put a wedding band on my finger just to see what happens. So here's the result. So it's still very nice. It did move the limited edition up here. The only mistake it made is a couple things that are duplicated, like the dollar sign is duplicated, and I kind of like the way these are to the right. And then at the bottom, it repeated my tagline. So yeah, sometimes when you make some changes, you really have to be specific in what you want for your changes. Okay, so the next example is I ask it, now can you generate another image, but this time can you create an action figure with the following changes? Casual, modest workout clothes with sneakers, and for the accessories, please include a light pink dumbbell, a book, a computer, and something to signify arts and crafts because I do like to make crafts. Okay, so this is the first version. So if you ask for an action figure, it's pretty similar, but you could see the style of the packaging is a little bit different. It's not in a box. It's more of a piece of cardboard with like a plastic overlay. So overall, it did an okay job. I would say, a couple things I would change is like definitely not have the word book on the book. And then it misunderstood. It put casual, modest workout at the bottom where you would have the tagline. So I did another change. I told it I need a couple corrections. Since she's holding the book, you could remove the yellow book from the accessories, but keep the book in her hand. Can she be smiling and look a little taller? Just keep my name at the top, and at bottom, remove the words casual, modest, workout, and add author and content creator. Can the workout outfit be more colorful but stylish? Keep everything else, but maybe change the box color to a different, brighter color. So here's the result, which I like a lot better. It's brighter, the figure is smiling, and she's holding a book, and the props on the right are perfect. So that's a really good version. Okay, so my final example is a claymation. So now this is just for fun, and it's definitely something to try. I ask it, can you create a claymation version of both versions? To clarify, you could use the second version of the doll box image with the blue suit and the last version of the action figure. So here's what it came up with. Ta-da! So this is the claymation. It's like the style of the claymation. Okay, and then that was the blue suit, right? And then for the action figure, this is what it came up with. So I ask it for one more change. I like the doll box image, but can you try again with the workout action figure as a claymation, a little bit more realistic regarding the face? And can you make the figure a little bit more average size? So this is what it came up with. It's perfectly fine as a claymation, and it's colorful, and it has the props, limited edition, and it looks fine. So there you have it. Those are the three examples: a doll box image, an action figure, and claymation. So next I'm going to provide the comparison between the free version and the latest version 5. So why pay for the latest version of Chatgpt? The paid version gives you access to real-time information and the latest updates. It's ideal if you want higher usage limits, faster response times, and access to advanced features. Let's compare the free version versus paid version of Chatgpt and how many images can be created. At the time of making this video, the free version allows you to generate up to 2 images per day using the DALL-E 3 model. For the paid version of Chatgpt, it costs $20 a month, and you can generate 50 images per 3-hour window with a daily maximum of up to 200 images per day. So there you have it. Today I provided examples of how to create doll box images, action figure images, and claymation. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.